DAX, after trading bearish for the first three trading sessions, has shown a very smart recovery towards the end of the week, and in fact has closed above 16,000 levels. Now, what to expect? Should we consider this as a reversal, and is it going to fly high again, or this is still trading in this bearish channel and the lows can be expected? Which position you should take and at what levels so that you can profit trading next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the summary and the conclusion with the trading levels. Do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis daily basis. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at DAX here. See, lower lows were created and it has since then shown a good recovery. Now the highs here at around 16,200 levels for this channel, and if it stays above 16,120 next week, you can buy again for 16,200. Staying above 16,200, that should be considered a breach of the level, and you can expect it to achieve the highs again at 16,300 400 zone. Very important. Next, if you look at, see, DAX is consolidated at this zone at 15,000 levels and since then has seen a rally. Also, if you look at the movement there, see, couple of breaches there on the up and downside both. This is the downside here, but still very much it has been trading on the daily charts in this zone since last few months. Since 2023 itself, you can see it is trading in this channel. The highs of this channel also are very much limited till towards 16,500 and hence a very narrow zone range bound movement can be expected. Now look at the weekly. If you look at the weekly chart, see, after forming the bottom here at 12,000 levels, it has shown a sharp recovery. Since then, you can say this bullish run, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, a lower, you can say slight retracement here, but it is not completely retraced till the bottom of this channel. The bottom of this channel now situated at around 15,200 levels, which is a very good resistance zone. Now this zone, only if you see DAX trading anytime below 15,000, you can say that it has taken a bearish turn and it is going to crash heavily. It can happen in a few months or so, but right now it is still not bearish. Also, if you look at the upside, since last few weeks it has been trading in a very narrow zone here. This time it tried to breach this, and on the upside, if it stays above 16,400, we can expect 16,800 and 17,000 levels also. But this is going to take time. If it stays bullish and trades above 16,400, 500, this is going to take time to achieve the highs. Looking at the movement, what we had seen in last few months for DAX specifically. Also, one more point to consider. See, in the recent time frames, look how strong these levels have become. 15,600. You can see multiple candles. Previously this was the resistance, now it has become the support. So it is DAX is finding it very hard to break past this zone, and hence if you see it breaking below this, then little more bearishness may prevail. Also, if you look at the last candle had a very long tail and a very small body on the upside, and if this stays above 16,200 120 levels itself, you can buy at 16,120, expect 16,200, and then possibility till 16,300 it is going to get maximum resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly high again for 16,500 levels. Very good resistance at 16,500. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Remember, these are markets, not yours, neither mine, and can take any which direction. But if you look at the last three candles, lower highs, lower lows, and it appears 16,300 levels are again going to give it a very good resistance. If you find it sluggish for the next few days, if you find it trading with a bullish bias but getting the resistance at 16,300, 16,200 zone, certainly you can expect that it is still bearish and it is not willing to break out. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. Now the DAX on the monthly charts has not almost but given a V-shaped recovery, complete V-shaped recovery from what it has seen the highs at around 2022, and for 1 year it is almost traded bearish and has recovered completely. Now if you look at it, has almost formed the double top and now willing to break past it. At the same time, if you look at, first it has created the base here. With that as base, it is traded in a bullish bias, and if you look at the movement is getting smaller with every candle. It is not the bigger candles with what we are seeing since last few trading sessions. Also, if you connect the dots, you will find it is just trying to, you can say, peak out here at this zone, and hence any break beyond 16500 should be taken seriously, and then it is going to give you very big movement, just like this. A big candle can be expected. Now look at also, if this candle started flat, 15600 levels giving it a support. If you see it trading below 15500 this month, when we are talking about the month of June, not only this week but for the month of June, if you see it trading below 15500, the next support is going to be far below at 15200 level. But till 15600 is respected, do not consider this as bearish for sure. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators, because charts are giving mixed indication. Double top levels is what I am scared of. And on the monthly chart, see the moving averages have started to diverge. This is again trading bullish. You can see the price is diverged here. It is seen a conversion. Now again looking forward to diverge. On the monthly charts, the super trend is still on sell. The resistance at around 17,000 levels. So right now it is still trading bullish, looking upwards. If you look at the directional movement, this is also have crossed over and trading in green. The stochastic, the monthly stochastic is one thing which is trading overbought, and hence a rise for a couple of weeks, then followed with, if it stays below 16,500 and fails to stay above, break past 16,500 levels, certainly a pullback cannot be denied. And more specifically till 16,300, it is going to be a very strong chance that it can show you a pullback there, and hence one need to remain watchful and cautious. Now see why we are seeing this, right? See the MACD here is divergent bullish, looking upwards on the monthly charts, and see DAX whenever has hit a bottom, it has almost tried to recover, and that is what is happening here. It has hit a bottom, staying bearish for a long while. Now it is trying to recover, and it can continue with this bullish momentum. RSI is also looking upwards now. And if you look at the weekly chart, on the weekly charts, interestingly, this is the crossover. Moving averages diverge bullish, and see what beautifully it has done. Moving average 20 period is now sitting at around 15,500. It has retraced till here. It has got another opportunity for it to continue with the bullish momentum, continue with the divergence of price from the 20 period moving average. The moving average might shift here by the time it might be sitting at the all-time high levels here, and hence till 15,600 500 possibility for it to stay bullish will be high, because see this crossover is taken now itself. You can see when on the weekly charts this crossover happened here, and after that what a bull run we had seen, and likewise it has crossed over here. Possibly it might stretch the bull run. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic was overbought, it has seen a little drop. The MACD, you can see MACD has peaked here. See, this was the last peak, and hence a possible little retracement before the rise can be seen here, because see this is a very you can say little higher levels, and we have to watch out here how it behaves. RSI comfortable near to top, near to overbought zone. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, the prices diverge from the moving average. It has converged till towards here, now again looking upwards, and this could be a vertical rise. We have to watch out a little closely here. Yes, support levels are seen first at around the 20, on the daily charts it's at around 15,900 16,000 zone, and then 15,800. See this zone till 15,800 very strong support, and then till towards 15,600 the next support level. We have to watch out how it behaves. Moving averages which started to converge are now again trying to look upwards. Let's see if it continues with this bullish momentum. Directional movement is trying to converge, crossover for a buy entry. Stochastic is starting to look upwards, bullish sign here. The MACD also has seen a bearish streak and now willing to converge, crossover. If it crosses over, certainly bullish momentum may continue. RSI looking upwards and showing little strength, and hence little more bullish signs are seen than compared to the bears, and possibly it might continue with this little bullish momentum. However, one has to remain cautious. So how we can take advantage, where we should take an entry, and how to take profit trading DAX, we will see with now. Before we proceed with the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Only one seat is left. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now, first where to start, where to buy. You can buy here at 16,080, but then 16,120. Now, this is the zone where it is going to get maximum resistance. If it stays above 16,120, we can say that 16,200, 16,285, and then 16,320 zone. This is the next resistance zone where we are going to find DAX getting the next strongest resistance. Beyond that, sky is the limit. We are looking at 16,500. Staying above 16,500 again. Remember, in the month of June itself, if it stays above 16,500, you can keep it 16,800 and then 17,000 as the next targets. These are markets. Anything is possible. Everything is possible. Nobody expected a drop. Nobody expected the rally again. But yes, this is at all-time high again, and it can further scale up on the upside. It has the potential. Still, till though Germany is recession, but still you can see markets flying up, and hence we has to be cautious, watchful till 16,300 levels. Beyond that, more bullishness can also be seen. Now on the downside, you can sell here at 16,000. But remember, 15,940, 15,880 and 15,800. Till here I will not say that it is taken a direction, it is going to drop. But yes, below 15,800 certainly we are going to again look at 15,600, 15,500 levels. Very, very strong support at these levels. And at any point of time, if it breaks 15,600, 500 zone, you can directly expect 15,320 and then 15,200 levels. Possibility exists that it can continue with the drop. If it stays below 15,800 levels, more bearishness may prevail, and then I will look forward to 15,200 levels, which is the next strongest support this time, and that should be the bottom there before looking forward to an upward move. So we have to take the trades as per the levels. Remember, till 15,800 it can bounce back again, till 16,300 it can drop again, till in between this 500 points. Do not think that DAX has taken a direction. A direction means, for those who want to take a little positional hold, one has to remain conscious, watchful and aware of these 500 points. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.